Students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikramra, your subject teacher of maths, and today our topic is using subtraction to compare. And on last day, we have learned topics that were subtraction, fact, subtraction from ending with 0, subtracting from numbers ending with 0, and regrouping 110 to 10 ones, and subtraction with regrouping. And also we have learned subtracting a two-digit numbers from a two-digit number. And the next topic was subtracting from numbers ending with 1. And we have solved questions of exercise 3.1, and now we have to learn exercise 3.2 solves some question related to using subtraction to compare. So come on topic. There is an example. Toshi has 12 whistles, Tara has 10 whistles. Who has more whistles and how many more whistles does he have? Toshi has 12 whistles and Tara has 10 whistles. Who has more whistles? How many more whistles does he have? So in step first, let us match Toshi's whistles with Tara's whistles. And you know that Toshi has 12 whistles and Tara has 12 whistles. Okay. When we compare, we can see here that Toshi has more whistles. How many more whistles does Toshi have? To find out, subtract 10 from 12. You know that you can see here when we compared each other, then Toshi has more whistles, and how many more whistles does Toshi have? To find out, subtract 10 from 12. And when we subtract 10 from 12, 12 is the number of Toshi's whistles and 10 is the number of Tara's whistles, and we have to find difference of both. Okay, that is 2 ones minus 0 ones, that is 0 2 ones, and 1 tens minus 1 10 is equal to 0 10. So that is Toshi has 2 more whistles than Tara. So the solution of this question, answer of this question is Toshi has 2 more whistles than Tara. And here is a hint given also. use sub Use subtraction to find out how many more or how many less. Okay, what I have said, use subtraction to find out how many more or how many less. Okay, there is second question. Class second B has planted 92 trees and class second C has planted 34 trees. Who has planted less trees and how many less trees? So, firstly, read the question carefully. That is, class second B has planted 92 trees and class second C has planted 34 trees. Who has planted less trees and how many less trees? In step first, you can see here 34 is less than 92. When we compare 34 and 92, we can see here that 92 is greater than 34. In other words, you can also say that 34 is less than 92. So, second C has planted less trees. Okay. And now to find out how many less trees second C has planted, subtract 34 from 92. Because on given hint you have learned, use subtraction to find out how many more or how many less. Okay, so you have to subtract 34 from 92, and 92 is the number of trees planted by second B and 34 is the trees planted by second C. On a subtracting 34 from 92, that is 4 can't be subtracted from 2, so we have to regroup 9 tens, 2 ones into 8 tens, 12 ones. And now subtract the ones. 12 ones minus 4 ones, that is 8 ones, and here will be 8 tens minus 3 tens, that is 5 tens. So number is 58. 58 less trees planted by second C. Okay, what is the answer? Class second C has planted 58 less trees. Okay. Now common exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Okay. We have to solve exercise 3.2, and firstly we can see here that. Now come on the question that is given in your book in exercise 3.2. Okay, you have to solve this story sums. First question is, the entry ticket to a zoo costs rupees 15. The entry ticket for a magic show cost rupees 82. Which costs less, a ticket to the zoo or a ticket to the magic show? And how much less does it cost? Okay, you can see here that the entry ticket to a zoo costs rupees 15 and the entry ticket for a magic show costs rupees 82. So 82 is greater than 82 is smaller than 15. So we can say that 82 is more than 15. So we can say that the entry ticket for a magic show is more. Okay, but you have to find which costs less, a ticket to the zoo or a ticket to the magic show. Okay, so the cost of zoo is less than magic show. Okay, so you have to subtract to find how much less does it cost. Find out how much less does it cost. You have to subtract 15 from 82. That is when we subtract 82 is the cost of a ticket to the magic show and 15 is the cost of a ticket to the zoo. And when we subtract, we can't subtract 5 from 2, so we have to regroup 8 tens 2 ones into 7 tens 12 ones, and now subtract the ones, that is 12 ones minus 5 ones, that is 7 ones, and 7 tens minus 1 10, that is 6 tens. So the answer is 67. So a ticket to the zoo costs rupees 67 less. Okay. Now come on next question, that is question number 2. Sid baked 12 cookies on Sunday and 14 cookies on Monday. How many more cookies did he bake on Monday? Firstly, the question is, Sid baked 12 cookies on Sunday and 14 cookies on Monday. How many more cookies did he bake on Monday? You know that use subtraction to find out how many more or how many less. So 12 is the cookies baked on Sunday and 14 is the cookies baked on Monday. So we can 14 is more than 12. So we can say that on Monday he baked more cookies. Okay, Sid baked more cookies. And to find out how many more cookies did he bake on Monday, we have to subtract 12 from 14. And 12 is the cookies baked on Sunday and 14 cookies baked on Monday. And when we subtract 12 from 14, that is when we subtract 4 tens minus 2 ones, 4 ones minus 2 ones, that is 2 ones. And 1 ones, 1 10 minus 1 10, that is 0 10. So there are two. The answer is 2. So we can say that Sid baked 2 more cookies on Monday. Okay. So the answer of this question is Sid baked 2 more cookies on Monday. Come on, next question. That is, Uncle Ravi's shop has 36 red t-shirt. The next question is, that is question number 3rd. Uncle Ravi's shop has 36 red t-shirts and 29 purple t-shirts. Which color t-shirts are more, red or purple? And how many more? Once again, you have to listen carefully the question what is saying. Uncle Ravi's shop has 36 red t-shirts and 29 purple t-shirts. Which color t-shirts are more, red or purple, and how many more? You can see here that 36 is more than 29. So we can say that red t-shirt is more than purple t-shirt. Okay, but we have to find how many more. To find how many more, subtract 29 from 36. What is 36? 36 is the number of red t-shirts and 29 is the number of purple t-shirt. And when we subtract 29 from 36, here When we subtract 9 from 6, we can't subtract it because there are not enough ones. So we have to regroup 3 tens, 6 ones into 2 tens, 16 ones. And now subtract the ones, that is 16 ones minus 9 ones, that is 7 ones. And here will be 2 minus 2, 2 tens minus 2 tens, that is 0 tens. Okay, so answer, what is will be answer? Red t-shirt are 7 more than purple t-shirt. What will be the answer? The answer will be red t-shirts are 7 more than purple t-shirt. What is the answer? Once again you have to listen. Red t-shirt are 7 more than purple t-shirt, because you know that to use subtraction to find out how many more or how many less. And in this question we have to find how many more, that means how many more t-shirts, which color t-shirt have more. Okay, red or purple. So then we can say that red t-shirts are 7 more than purple t-shirt. Come on, next question, that is question number 4. There are 30 lilies, 24 lilies are white. How many lilies are not white? Once again, you have to listen carefully the question. That is, there are 30 lilies and 24 lilies are white. How many lilies are not white? You can see here, firstly, we have to find how many, okay, how many lilies are not white. So we have to subtract 24 from 30. What is 30? 30 is the total lily, and 24 is the white lily. And we have to find how many lilies are not white. So we have to subtract 24 from 30. And when we subtract, 30 is the total number of lilies and 24 is the white lilies. And when we subtract 24 from 30, we can't subtract 4 from 0 because there are not enough ones. So we have to regroup 3 tens 0 ones into 2 tens 10 ones. And now subtract the ones, that is 10 ones minus 4 ones, that is 6 ones. And here will be 2. 2 tens minus 2 tens, that is 0 tens. So the answer is 6 lilies are not white. So the answer of this question is 6 lilies are not white. Once again you have to listen question. There are 30 lilies, 24 lilies are white, and how many lilies are not white? So you have to firstly given that there are 30 lilies, so total number of lilies is 30, and 24 lilies are not white, and 24 lilies are not white, and how many lilies are not white? When you will find how many lilies are not white, you have to subtract 24 from 30. Okay, and 10 minus 4 6, and 2 minus 2 0. So answer is 6 lilies are not white. Come on, next question, that is 66 babies were brought for polio drops to a hospital, and 29 babies have been given the drops. How many babies are yet to get the drops? Firstly, you have to read the question carefully. That is, 66 babies were brought for polio drops to a hospital, and 29 babies have been given the drops. How many babies are yet to get the drops? Okay, so we have to find how many babies are yet to get the drops. To find it, we have to subtract 29 from 66. What is 66? 66 is the total number of babies, and 29 babies that have been given the drops. Okay, so when we subtract 29 from 66, there are not enough ones, so we can't subtract 9 from 6. So we have to regroup 6 tens 6 ones into 5 tens 16 ones. And now subtract the ones, 16 ones minus 9 ones, that is 7 ones. And here will be 5 tens minus 2 tens, that is 3 tens. Okay, so the difference of babies, and the difference of 29 and 66 is the 37. So the answer is 37 babies are yet to get the polio drop. So the answer of this question is 37 babies are yet to get the polio drops. Thank you for watching the video. Keep support me and stay at home for your safety.